He is our hero. Get rid of Step on Spider.
Okay, that song has nothing to do with circles, but hey, why not? A song about spiders instead. Here we go, circles again. Here's my circle. Circle. What do we know about circles? We know that this is their radius and that this is a diameter and that pi is 3.14, and we know that radius equals diameter divided by 2. We know that diameter is 2 times radius. What else do we know? We know that circumference is diameter times pi. And we know the area is pi r squared. So those are our equations that we're going to be using on this video. So let's do some word problems. There we go. The button on Daniel's coat has a radius of 4 millimeters. Radius of 4 millimeters. What is the button's diameter? What is the button's diameter? Well, here's my circle. Here's my button, right? If the radius is 4, what's the distance all the way across? Wouldn't that be 8? 8 millimeters. That's a nice one. After stepping into a room with unusual lighting, Diana's pupil, that's the little black part of your eye, has a radius of 4 millimeters. So the radius of 4 millimeters. What is the pupil's area? Well, how do I calculate area? Let's go find an area equation. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals pi r squared. Pi r squared. So this is pi times 4 times 4. That's 16 times 3.14. So 16 times 3.14, 50.24 square millimeters. A clock tower has a large bell that rings on the hour. A visitor measures the edge of the bell and calculates that it has a circumference of 25.12 yards. What is the edge's radius? Okay, so what do I have here, right? I have this bell, that's the bottom of it, and somebody measures the distance around it, and they say that that circumference is 25.12. But what we really want to know is, what is this distance? Well, let's figure it out. Circumference. Do I have an equation for circumference? Circumference is diameter times pi, so 25.12 equals the diameter times pi. So some number times 3.14 is that. What number do you think that could be? I think it's 8. What's 8? What's 8 times 3.14? 8 times 3.14 is 25.12. Oh, yeah, there it is. The diameter must be 8. Diameter equals 8. But this is asking for radius. Radius. So the radius is half of that. 4. Radius is 4. Julie has a can of beans in the pantry. After measuring the circular lid, she calculates it has an area of 28.6 inches. What is the circumference? Interesting. So we have this can, and she figured out the area, how many little squares that can fit inside this thing, right? That's area. The area is 28.26. Okay, do I have an area equation? Absolutely. I know the area is pi r squared. So some radius squared times pi is 28. Let's just pick a number. Can we pick a number here? What do you think? 2? 2 squared. 2 times 3.14. 12. Nope, that's not it. How about 3? 3 times 3.14. 28.26. So I just calculated that the radius is 3. And I did a guess and check. Radius is 3. But it wants the circumference. Okay, I have a radius is 3. Circumference, I'm going back in my notes, circumference is diameter times pi, but I have a radius. I need a diameter. Okay, well let's take this radius and turn it into a diameter. Radius is 3. That means the diameter is 6. Now that I have the diameter, can I go and get the circumference? Yes. Circumference is diameter times pi. I need to do 6 times pi. 6 times pi. 6 times 3.14. 18.84. And that is our answer. 18.84. 18.84 inches. That's it. Thank you for watching, and you gotta love it. A whole song about a spider. This is They Might Be Giants. Great band.
We love you, Spider. Get rid of Spider. Stop Spider.
That's it. Okay. See you in class. Bye-bye.